Welcome back to IPR Uncovered. IP as shown in Shark Tank India. Today, we are talking about a brand that wasn't just about an animation studio, it was a vision for a whole new way of storytelling. We are talking about the Future Animation. The pitch, the future of storytelling. The founders of the Future Animation, Rohit Thakur and Anmol Pandey, stepped into the tank with a pitch that was as creative as their work. They've built an animation company that provides high-quality, professional animation services at competitive prices, targeting a global audience. They've created Pixar-style animated videos, 2D and 3D animation, and promotional content for a wide range of clients. They were selling a solution that was not only innovative but also a tool for bringing stories to life. The founders' pitch highlighted their unique approach to client management and their strong presence in the international market, with a large percentage of their business coming from global clients. They were selling a product that was not only creative but also a source of joy and entertainment. The ask? A confident 50 lakhs rupees for 2.5% equity, which valued the company at 20 crores rupees. This valuation was a testament to their belief in the brand's unique intellectual property and its potential to disrupt the massive animation industry. IPR Uncovered, the fortress of creativity. Now, let's get to the most crucial part of this analysis, their intellectual property. For a company like the Future Animation, which relies on original animated content and characters, IP is its most valuable asset. The founders were very clear that they had a strong IP portfolio, including copyrights and trademarks. The core of their IP is their unique original animated content and characters. This is protected by copyright, which gives the Future Animation the exclusive right to reproduce, distribute, and display their creative works. This prevents competitors from copying their unique animated content and characters. This is a crucial defensible moat that justifies their valuation and gives the sharks confidence that they're investing in a unique, protected brand, not just a product that could be easily replicated. Additionally, their brand name, the Future Animation, is protected by a trademark, which prevents brand confusion in the market. The combination of strong copyrights and trademarks shows that the founders are not just building a product, but a valuable, defensible brand. The outcome? A sweet deal. The Future Animation's pitch was a huge success. The founders impressed the sharks with their innovative products and strong IP. After a bidding war with multiple sharks, they secured a deal with Peyush Bansal. While the equity was significantly higher than their initial ask, it was a fantastic outcome for the founders. The final deal was 50 lakhs rupees for 10% equity. This deal solidified the Future Animation's position as a major player in the animation space and gave them the funding and mentorship to scale their operations. Closing note: the story of the Future Animation is a great example of how a truly innovative product, backed by strong intellectual property, can impress even the most discerning investors. It shows that in a crowded market, copyrights and trademarks can be the key to unlocking a profitable and defensible business. Now, I want to hear from you. If you were a shark, would you have invested in the Future Animation? Would you have held out for a bigger stake, or do you think the founders' original ask was fair? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be interested in the future of IPR. Because in a world full of ideas, the real game is in owning and protecting them. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you in the next video.